Emesani ya mangana Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere rituko rya Jumaine citariki 25 mutinyu 12 mwaka wa 2020 noyomo kartutegeretie amatuko atatu tukoro mwaka wa 2020 noyomo igo nigo ngukwarigania asemese itu ya mangana Amayia irinde ngomanyina rya rito sangiri kuru rya kiete goikaboni genyurana abakwenda gutubwati ase mitandao ya sensemeri ya Facebook Ndizi TV News, YouTube Ndizi TV News, na sensemeri ya Twitter na boto tweet @Ndizi TV News baigo na boto tumera yuchumbe yao wetera se nambe yira se screen yao irinde no gutebinga yuturire tikorunga yutubwatire tikorugo ngwereri bageri abene gukwarigania asemese itu ya mangana Amayia irinde ngomanye tosuka kaba munenje wikomario una botambe iretariane Brighton Makori. Ekero emega ye Christmas ekobe menge nigo bono mugusi asemiwe igoro yobobe bokumusara omwana omunyaruka na kwenekia buna embu eyungo ikere omwerio na wikirania endoto ye serikali goika omwaka ogoja nigo bono ababwatani ao baboliwe kubwaterana iri kweneka bino bosari obungo sirabora sensi itu ya Kenya anene ekero ensemo yagusi yemanyakante buna bosari obugo soboturwa no obungo kweneka ubara asensemo eyu nigo musubati Stella Jogi oyoro muteneni wekiombe giasiko ime yagusi anyarika kutudebi roboti rokubwatia
Marieta nkuru ku Stella Jogi ndo muteneni wekiombe giasiko Center for Community Mobilization and Empowerment imirimo tokora no kugikeria cisegi cyanka amona mangana yo kwarukia abana cinyaruka asichinga kieciche cisuguku ne cishere yawa nimaite umugusi tuebisire ime tuchake ko ira abana baito asokubaro kibobisi eyinere mamincha yobo ene bwo mwana nyaruka nande nere mamincha yeri chikoria serikali yaito igo rero na ntaito ko boli omugusio mintonga kamoranche tigatotige umwana ito nyaruka akine munare igo egere na liarache gukina akine kare bya atache gutware mechande nde gochibosio gaiga obugima bwo mwana nyaruka bole delicate igogo ikatomugitere umwana oyo ikara twamugitere cinjira cyonse tomukonye aende skuru bya egere tabase gocha ko twara obugimo bokongu nonye nase kinyo enyoma yaye amo nonye ne gisegi cyanka engakiye igani manyita abantu abange twarageire bya na gisegi kinyinge tokorwana ase cinka gisegi echo ndotagete to siri tomenye no morembe egere no ene environment yo mwana oito ebengia tolengera na kino eno mwana yagocha gochie skuru ankyo
ekero ensegende de kwere ngo chia sobo chore wanne bu mwaka wa 2022 chiripoti ni gochigende kubwatukwa anene ningo obwate gosengo bwanjire n'abakenya sobo tukibwa bwango bwa watu ne kyombe ken futulak nigo bono bakoro kibuna umurai we kiama kia ODM Raila Amolo Odinga nigo anjire n'abakenya kubwa umurai gatatu gwenze ase kerengo kia 33 gakubwatigwa no mukonyi bw'umurai bwense William Ruto oyibono obwate kerengo kia 32 Kalonzo Musyoka na Musalia Mudavadi nigo babwate birengo bya Ibere asemia ekera oyomo boigo omokenya boigo ase ensemo yebyama ekiama kiauda nigo ikorekana nigo gyanjire n'abakenya ekero kibwate birengo bya 33 ase kiama gya ODM gekubwatia ne 32 ekiama kyegoiba na NZ nigo kibwate ase emia ayuna ayu asogatibu nekyombe kya infrastructure egekoro kibuna mbarabi banjire n'abakenya osenkiama ki yanjire n'abakenya.
Compare what William Ruto's support was in December last year and what it is December this year, he has lost. What we can say without fear of contradiction is that it's going to be a two-horse race. Yeah? And these guys are going to compete almost neck to neck and try as much as possible from January, if not from tomorrow, to ensure that they get the undecided vote, which is currently at 21%. If elections were held today, you and I know what the criteria are. It's 50+1.
Kusuka bosibono niga abanyanyimba kurwa sensemo ya mwingi bacha kiri obutugi igoro yegekoru ase omwarimu oyomo agotebekana kwerusi obomoyo igoro yogotwara liomana liegenga boigo abateneri babalimu kurwa sensemo eyo nigo babolia abalimu bonsi gokwana ali bagwetera kurwa senga irigwetanga kurwa so kwerusi obomoyo.
Michael Munyasi Rastas, the Executive Secretary Mwingi Nat branch. I have lost a teacher through suicide, which is a case that has greatly affected the teaching fraternity in my branch. And I want to say we've got this kind of work-related pressure and depression that eventually are transferred into family issues. This is a classic case that happened to one of us in this branch. And I'm calling upon the teachers that they must be vigilant, because when they see some slight change of behavior from the teaching fraternity or from their colleagues, they should report to us at the union. We are going to work together with the TSC, our employer, to ensure that these teachers are guided and counseled and given the right direction.
Ametuacha ni ndugu yangu watoka nitoke. Kifo yake imetokana na amekuwa na mzozo wa kifamilia kwa muda mrefu, na hii ndio tunaona ndio imekuwa ni chance cha kifo chake.
Umugwasiri w'ekisem Professor George Magwa nigo bona togiri abalimu abanene boboroso asatebire buna nigo bakora emiremo emenene nigaya kwanaya asensemo ya coast ekera abalimu abo bagendete gutwara gusangirira bagera bagendete gutwara umuroberi obo ubokera omwaka kerbo mira na senseme yigukwanira amangana ao harengeti kisemi umugwasiri Magwa nigo bona tebire buna serikali nigendete kubika imiroberi ya bene rikwene kebuna gosirire kisemi asensi yaitu ya Kenya boigo nigakwanira ensemeri ya NEMIS asatebire buna nigo bagukora umuchando gwateraniti sector gosensemeyo ya NEMIS.
During my first year, we had issues with the capture of data into NEMIS, and I came to many of your schools, and you helped me to identify the first problem with NEMIS, in that the problem was not yours. The problem was NEMIS itself. And as a result of that, we have re-engineered NEMIS, and within the next few months, none of you will have any other problem as far as data processing is concerned. This action of yours also has guided us to double-check and get correct data, with the result that all primary schools are now on GIS, together with the children, and government can safely say that this is the situation. The second point with regards to 100% transition, where I want to appreciate you, is that you are there and you helped us to identify the children. I went to look for some of the children, especially in the slums, accompanied by some of you. The zeal that I saw in your interest in this matter perhaps told me that I chose the wrong career, and that if I was to be reincarnated, I would not want to be a doctor anymore, even though we teach doctors, but I think the joy is in teaching the younger children. And this is not for granted. I'm not a politician, so I'm telling you the truth. The politician can say anything. The second point that I want you to take home, ladies and gentlemen, I used to hear a lot of rumors that teachers are never in school. When I was appointed by His Excellency the President, one of the things he told me to midwife is a competency-based curriculum. And as my field officer said, oh, everything is okay, I said, no. Performance-based management demands that I go and confirm what is happening in the field. And I think roughly now, after about 2.5 years, I must have visited close to 1,000 primary schools. And what I'm going to tell you, even the newspapers will not report, because they don't report positive things. I have never given an appointment that this morning I'm going to Kanyanyaini Primary School, because then I will see what I found out there. People lined up waiting for me. I sneak to the schools, and I want to confess to you, ladies and gentlemen, that I have never found a classroom, a CBC classroom, grade 1 to 4, without a teacher. I have never found. If that is not dedication, then what is? Because I've done it at random, from Machakos to Kapsabet, to any part of the country. I have found the teacher in classroom engaging the children. And I would like to ask those busybodies, I call them busybodies because they are really busybodies. Before you say that CBC is not working, if I am a cabinet secretary and I can go and sit in a classroom for an hour, who do you think you are? You are shouting. Maybe you are a member of a certain category of organization, and you are shouting at the top of your voice that CBC is not good, and you don't even know what it is like. So I want to urge those who, it's so easy to oppose, because in Kenya, ladies and gentlemen, everybody, have you noticed everybody is an expert in education?
Mugwasiro ini gaenda to ya kwana yo akero aendera tase osasomo sankerno bwa barimu banene beji primary asense media coast ya sate birone serikali nenda kubeke mero biri kwana kina ngo imukire birengo beji semia sense yito ya Kenya kero tukusuka bosibono abanchu bali banjete mosiki orumba nigo bari birero maega yomo na mosiki okubugie rumba oyo manyakanite buna luredo mtamo gose manyakanite marona general defo anyarire kagosiri obogima defao oyibono osiriti obogima kabwate miaka 50 nomo nibere niga kweta buri tukuri horo asenyagitari yamo asomo cyo Cameroon ko askonye abekire inyagitari nigo mwana musiki oyo abeire kago twara ngo sika gotera emesiki yege asajagete musiki odomboro asabanta bangi bamaite bari anene bari banjete omusiki orumba igo nigo mwana musiki yanyate kago siri bogima igo gocha sabantu bari banjete omusiki orumba nigo bono bakurombya sibateruna nigo abete umwana musiki osekonye nigaro umwana musiki ogo batumbisa mano nyorena nigo ibore tuwa sense meri ya Kinshasa kare ibore tuchitariki 34 mwaka bwechiribweyemo chimikiande 55 nande agachaka gotera umwaka bwirweyemo chimikianda 52 na isato nigo nyarite ko tera n'abantu abanga asakorete chikorabo nandaga chikochaka gokora ere bieka onyoremna nigo omosani oyo anyarika gosirio bugima kero asirete kabwate miaka 50 nomo nebere ekotebekana buna ekero yarenge 90s nigo akumete mano ase abanju bamangana arumba banyarite bagwanjo mosikio yamano kyara nigo lengo mosikiboko goke amo netengo yae nigo yarenge tengo yarenge enjera endeyo enjera yokoki asenjera ere endonge igom bali banjete magana arumba ni enjera yamo bose nigo no bonto teana tiga abali banyari bono nentu nigo togo mama gombo gocha se family ya siriri yo mwabo ose bali anene banjete ase ensemeri ya rumba weka umanju muriria no to korera mangana itamaya ye Chinsa Isano Ibere chabona magaso kone ni ngo kubona chikora Chinsa 10 ingera na semesa mangana maye ndingumanyi nari agende gwateka ime na isko ya gusi korende nyorana abaganda to bwati agwetera se mitandao yita ensemeri ya Facebook tonyore Ndizi TV News ensemeri ya YouTube tonyore Ndizi TV News na ensemeri ya Twitter abagoto tweet @Ndizi TV News boigo na abagoto tumira uchombe yao kubwatekana ose gwetera ni nambe yo rase skini yao twara mubasomo ya tutumira nchikora Chinsa 10 una botambe iretariane Brighton Makori.
Mugusi. Ndizi TV, uwenso bumugusi, nigo bono ya nikirundekerene, nego kurendera, chibiche chinkia, na boigo chinkeno nukukigima, na bogo tonyora, asoro gonkor bogusi, neji kaunti chito etanaine, una, kaunti ya Kisii, Nyamira, Homa Bay, Bomet, Kisumu, Migori, nechisemo chinde chinyinge, nigo kotonyora, aside kode ya Star Times, Channel 195, Go TV, Channel 824, na free to air decoders, Digital TV, na Smart TVs. Scania TV yao, na boigo onchore irio yao, igo ikoye nyore. Ndizi TV, nigo turine kirenga, ekio korentera, emerubiri emerunge, chinka kichonsi. Ndizi TV, obuensu, uomogusi. Obachenu ni goboro bwengencho mono asubogima bwao kurenda asagwe tanaine nako yachena buna gokoro bochenu gotwara enyumba ya kebara na macha makinonuku na kurinda chindagira chirio koria na guchiria sebirengo bibwenerete ngokeanie amaruiri ao umerana na Janet Nyamuamu asago koherera na kogosemia iguru yobo chenu gakubwatrana na banyagitari ao asumurubirio wokomenyokuya kebo chenu.
So that is why we are teaching Mwanchua